Hello everyone, welcome to Soul Garden. Today, I will guide you on how to make a versatile organic fertilizer, easy to prepare and suitable for most types of plants in your garden. This recipe not only helps plants develop a healthy root system and increase resistance, but also promotes glossy, healthy leaves and more vibrant blooms. The most important thing is that you can make it at home without spending much, yet it delivers very noticeable results. Let's get started. Do you drink tea? I really love the gentle aroma and the relaxing feeling that a cup of tea brings. But today, I'm not brewing tea to drink. Instead, I'll use these dried tea leaves as the main ingredient for a highly effective organic fertilizer recipe. I will use 3 tablespoons of dried tea like this. If you don't have dried tea, you can repurpose used tea leaves to make fertilizer for your plants. Tea contains many antioxidants, tannins, and a small amount of nitrogen. These components help stimulate healthy root development, retain soil moisture, and make the leaves greener and glossier. Not only is it suitable for anthuriums, but this recipe is also ideal for fertilizing orchids, ornamental plants, and various indoor plants. Now, I will pour 500 milliliters of boiling water into the tea, cover it, and let the tea cool completely. Once the tea has cooled entirely, I will filter out the tea leaves, keeping only the nutrient-rich tea water. In particular, the natural antioxidants in tea help plants increase resistance, keep leaves glossy green, and effectively combat pests and diseases. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Don't rush to throw away the tea leaves. You can mix the used tea leaves into the soil for growing vegetables, or use them directly as green manure, which is very beneficial and environmentally friendly. Next, I will dilute the filtered tea water with 2.5 liters of clean water. After diluting, I'll add 1 small teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda not only helps balance the soil's pH, but also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, great for the root system and the leaf surface. When combined with tea, this mixture becomes a fertilizer that both nourishes and protects plants from diseases. It is especially effective during the rainy, humid season or when plants are in the recovery phase. Method 1. I will use this diluted tea and baking soda mixture to water directly at the base of all types of plants. Watering at the base allows plants to absorb nutrients directly through their roots, helping them stay healthy, more vibrant, and grow better. When watering, make sure to water evenly around the base of the plant and avoid letting water pool in the pot to prevent root rot. This organic fertilizer provides essential nutrients for the Anthurium's root system to develop healthily. Watering lightly around the base helps the plant easily absorb nutrients and maintain necessary moisture, preventing the roots from drying out. Lilies are very suitable for organic fertilizer because it provides nutrients for both leaves and stems while stimulating the flowering process. Watering lilies helps supplement essential minerals, enabling the plant to grow strongly and produce beautiful blooms. Phalaenopsis orchids do well with a mild organic fertilizer. Watering with a solution of tea and baking soda adds antioxidants, potassium, and natural antibacterial compounds, aiding in post-bloom recovery, preventing fungus, and stimulating healthy root growth. Method 2. Next, I will wipe the plant leaves with this solution. Wiping the leaves not only removes dust, but also helps the plant absorb light better, thereby enhancing photosynthesis. Anthuriums love light but are prone to fungal issues in humid environments. Wiping the leaves helps the plant exchange gases better and keeps it healthy. Diluted tea also softens the leaves and creates a light, protective layer, helping to ward off harmful agents. This helps Anthuriums maintain long-lasting green, fresh leaves. Moreover, the tea in the solution provides a small amount of natural nutrients, supporting healthy plant growth, preventing diseases, and increasing resistance to environmental factors. The solution contains natural minerals from tea, such as potassium, which helps plants withstand harsh conditions, phosphorus, which promotes vibrant blooming, and calcium, which strengthens cell structure, making plants sturdier. For lilies, the tea solution provides strong antioxidants from polyphenols, preventing early leaf aging and supporting robust plant growth. Potassium in tea enhances drought tolerance, while phosphorus promotes a healthy root system, creating a solid foundation for lily development. When wiping orchid leaves, the goal is to clean the leaf surface, helping the plant absorb light and exchange gases more effectively. Orchids need strong light, so keeping the leaves clean will improve photosynthesis. Diluted tea not only cleans the leaves, but also provides a small amount of iron and manganese, helping the plant develop lush green leaves. Method 3. Now, we will pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. This is a great way to provide moisture directly to the leaves and other parts of the plant, helping the plant absorb nutrients from the organic fertilizer effectively. Misting helps prevent the leaves from drying out, supports better photosynthesis, and is a way to maintain moisture and supply nutrients without causing root rot. Minerals like iron and manganese in tea help the plant develop healthy, glossy leaves. Light misting helps maintain moisture, keeping the plant fresh and improving nutrient absorption. For lilies, misting also provides moisture and helps the plant absorb nutrients like phosphorus and potassium from the tea. Misting keeps lily leaves fresh, creating ideal conditions for new blooms. For orchids, misting increases humidity, especially during the root development and flowering stages. Nutrients like potassium and calcium in the tea solution help orchids bloom beautifully and last longer. By misting, you not only keep the plant fresh, but also ensure nutrients are evenly distributed across the leaves and stems, supporting better absorption and faster growth, especially in hot, dry weather. After caring for your plants with these methods, you'll see them become fresher and healthier. Apply this method every 2 weeks for the plants you want to care for in your garden. Results. After consistently applying this method, you'll see your Anthurium plants come back to life, full of vitality. The leaves become lush green, thicker, and sturdier, with a glossy, dust-free surface that always looks fresh. Not only the leaves, but the root system also develops strongly, producing healthy shoots, helping the plant absorb nutrients better and recover faster after repotting or pruning. Most notably, you'll see more blooms with more vibrant colors and flowers that stay fresh on the plant much longer than usual. If you persistently apply this 1 to 2 times a week, using only natural ingredients in this simple method, your Anthurium plants will always maintain their best condition: lush green, long-lasting blooms, and minimal pests and diseases. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to always receive the latest plant care tips. See you in the next video.